Hello BizAnalyst users. Looking to improve your budget planning and business decisions? Then the customer and item summary feature is the perfect solution for you. To get a summary of your items, visit the Items tab. Here you can find the top selling items and the ones that might need upselling. You can also view them according to filters like time range, stock, group, and categories. Select an item to view its summary, customers, suppliers, and much more. On the other hand, the customer summary feature helps you track your business relationships with your customers. Just select the ledger from the party tab to view the summary and analyze outstanding receivables. You can also create payment follow-ups, data entries, and track sold and purchased items. And wait, there's more! You can share and print these summaries in various formats. So go ahead and make the most out of the customer and item summary feature now and subscribe to our channel.